Ukraine sends Western tanks into battle for the first time to bolster counteroffensive. Ukraine appears to have deployed Western battle tanks into combat for the first time, analysts tell NBC News, as Kyiv launches its long-awaited counteroffensive against Russian occupying forces. The counteroffensive has been months in the planning, and Ukraine's military has been holding back fresh troops, as well as recently supplied Western weapons for what may be its best opportunity to make significant gains on the battlefield. Russian officials and military bloggers reported heavy fighting along the war's southeastern front lines. Ukraine has remained officially silent on the subject, but a senior officer and a soldier near the front lines said that the wave of attacks represented a significant new push to break through Russian defenses, and that efforts appears to be bolstered by heavy armor. Analysts say that the opening stage of the counteroffensive has seen the combat debut of German-made Leopard 2 battle tanks, which were supplied to Kyiv after months of diplomatic wrangling with its NATO backers. Russia's military released drone footage of what it said was an attack by Ukrainian armored units in the southeastern Zaporizhia region. Michael Horowitz, head of intelligence at Lebec International, a risk management consultancy, reviewed the footage and said he was confident that it showed Leopard tanks in action. This would be the first time Ukraine deploys Western battle tanks, which is a sure sign that this is serious, Horowitz told NBC News.